We have to talk.
Yeah.
So
what's going on?
What are we going to talk about?
I don't know. What's going on?
I don't know. What are you doing here?
I came to visit you.
Very good. Start visiting.
I'm talking to you right now.
Okay, and I'm talking right back to you.
I'm talking to you too.
Okay. That's the way we want it to
So, you don't like me being here?
be. I love you being here.
You want me to leave?
No, no, no. I want you to stay here forever.
Really?
Really.
Why?
Because I love you.
Why do you love me?
Because you're my great-granddaughter.
And who am I?
Brittany Renee Montandon.
How old am I?
I don't know, 23?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Now give me a kiss. Love you.
Was I right?
Yep. All those things, you were right.
Very good.
So why do you want me to stay?
That's me.
Why do you want me to stay?
You're a perfect grandmother.
I'm a perfect grandmother?
I'm a perfect grandmother.
Oh! Okay.
Great grandmother.
Yeah.